Our protocol works as a tool to find compounds that inhibit the activity of membrane-bound pyrophosphatases, and these inhibitors may be used in the treatment of several parasitic diseases. This protocol is cheap and simple, producing stable color for a long time without showing any interference in the presence of high phospholipid concentration required for enzyme reactivation.
Prepare 10 milliliters of the reactivation buffer solution containing 20 millimolar MES at pH 6.5, 3.5% volume-by-volume glycerol, 2 millimolar DTT, and 0.05% DDM. Prepare 10 milliliters of the reaction mixture containing 200 millimolar tris hydrochloride at pH 8, 8 millimolar magnesium chloride, 333 millimolar potassium chloride, and 67 millimolar sodium chloride. To prepare 30 milligrams per milliliter liposomes for enzyme reactivation, first, add 10 milliliters of 20 millimolar tris hydrochloride at pH 8 with 1 millimolar DTT to 0.3 grams of L-alpha phosphatidylcholine from soybean. Put the liposome on ice and sonicate with 1-second pulse intervals for 1 minute, pause for 1 minute, and repeat until the solution becomes transparent yellow. Aliquot the liposomes in 100 microliters, freeze in liquid nitrogen, and store at -80 degrees Celsius until used.